This planter box definitely makes me want to garden more. I love how it looks on my deck. This was gifted to me by the brand to do a review, so I'm going to show my entire installation process and go over some pros and cons. This is a 2-pack. The instructions explain a couple different ways to assemble the mount based on where you're going to be placing the planter. So definitely measure and make sure to assemble it based on the size of the ledge that you want it to go. This yellow piece is the liner, and inside of it is the mounts and your hardware. For my deck railing, I'm going to be assembling them using option 3 in the instructions. The sizing is very customizable, so you can make it work almost anywhere. Here are all the different pieces. You have 2 of everything, 1 for each side. Whichever side is going to be laying against the surface you're hanging it on is the side you want to have the screw going into so that you can have it laying as flat as possible against that surface. So you just feed the screw through here and tighten this piece on, and then you'll just repeat that with all of them until it looks something like this. After those are assembled, this is what they look like on my ledge before adding the planter box. And then I'm ready to attach the planter to it and start putting my flowers in there. I really love the way that it turned out. I love the way it looks on my deck. I just wish that maybe the top screws had something that went on them to hide them so they weren't so apparent up there. But other than that, I absolutely love it.